Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sophie and I'm rocking you screens guys with another banger. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys extremely cute, elegant, sweet ways you can style your hair with a scarf. After watching this video, you know your scarf game is about to eat and leave no crumbs. That's how we do it, eh? Today's video is sponsored by HOTBRAIDS. This brand specializes in making the best, most amazing quality Afro kinky human hair for every single hair texture in the population. You can literally tell anyone that this is your natural hair and they'll believe you. They are so big on customer service, and when I tell you that their packaging is tea, I tell you that for free. Every single thing I'm going to be using in this video, including the scarf, was provided by HOTBRAIDS. As see, everything is going to be quality, you know. If by the end of one video you know how to slay your scarf game, it's this video, so don't go anywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and for making it up to this point. I hope that I was able to impress you with the styles that I showed in this video, and that whatever events that you'll be going to, you'll be slaying. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you're thinking, let me know what you found difficult or something you would like me to do better in my next video. Share this video to your friends, your mommy, your sister, your nieces, whoever you think this video will be important to. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Mwah.